Hello guys, back with another video. This time I actually have a mic, so it's not going to be typing. The whole premise of today is we're going to be playing Mario 64, but we're not getting past the title screen. We're going to be warping Mario's face. But our friend, Ender's Cool, or EnderPlayZ on YouTube, subscribe, will be sending us scenarios of what happened to Mario, and then I'm going to be warping his face in what I think his face would look like in that scenario, okay? Okay, so, Ender, send your first scenario. You can't hear him, but I can, so he'll just type it out. Type it out, Ender. Type out the first scenario that Mario has to painfully go through. Okay, Mario gets in a car crash. Okay. Okay, so, does the car come from the left? What direction is the car coming from? The front. Okay. Okay, they can't. I mean, they might be able to, but I don't think so. God dang it, Mario. Oops, I paused it. What? Why is my screen... Oh my god, I opened up Internet Explorer. Why did I open up Internet Explorer? Close. Close! It doesn't close. Okay, there you go. How does that he said that looks like Toad's face. Okay. If Mario gets in a car crash, this is what he would look like. Okay, he's checking it out now. Okay, so I love the side. His pupils are like in front, but there's just like a white area of his eye. This is what nightmares are made of. Okay, next scenario, Ender. Got Mario's sleeping. Okay, now he's awake. Okay, he's typing. Let's see what crap he comes up with now. Mario gets slapped. What cheek? What? I realized something. Okay, he's laughing hysterically. Oh crap, my thing freezed up. No, it froze. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna have to restart now. Bonjour. I'm gonna make his ear like tuck in. Oh wait, no, I screwed that all up. Ender, when you get rejected by Princess Peach, and she slaps you. I like looking at the pupils is funny enough, but I like looking at like everything but the. Oh my god, it's doing animations right now. I like looking at everything but the pupils. His white? He said. Ender just said his pupils aren't even at where his white is. That's not how that works. Okay. Now, next scenario, Ender. The people need content. If anyone even watches. Ouch! I hit my knee. Okay, Mario. What part? Okay. Okay, let's get to work. Oh, I forgot to hold down the button. Hold. What the heck? Stop glitching out, Mario! Sometimes Mario just glitches out and then he just doesn't do anything. Grab on. His nose is his way of showing dominance, just so you know. Oh wait, what's that for? This is that scenario, Ender. How do you like it? This is if Mario. Hurry up and look. He's being stupid and not looking. Oh, I almost just let go of the button. You have to hold down the button. That's like the one bad thing. I like... My favorite part has got to be his mouth. It's like tucked in. And his ears are completely separate. They're like, one's going up, one's going down. I can't show you because it glitched out, and the only way to unglitch it out is to let go of this. But his head is like going backwards. Like, a little. Next scenario, bruh. I hope you like this content, guys, because we're gonna have to end it like soon. This is probably gonna be the last one. This one, it's gotta be great, Ender. This is gonna be the last one. Oh, here it comes. Peach has a kid and dies. Okay, I have to wait for this animation to stop. Stop, Mario. Stop doing what you're doing. Remember how I, said... Oh, wait, no, I'll explain at the end. What I do retarded. He said I just did something retarded. Say no. No, don't grab onto his freaking nose. Stop it, Mario! Mario! Dang it, it glitched up again. Anyways, I need to restart, okay. This is if Peach had a kid and then died. I gave him emotions. Dude, when he goes to sleep, he just... Well, the kid, I didn't know what to do with that part. I can't add another character to work. Okay. Fine, we'll do one last face, but this one's got to be like completely exciting, like super duper. Here comes the request. Mario's retarded. Okay, this. Well, I'll have to go fast then. I'll have to speed run this. I forgot to hold on the button. Dang it, it froze up. Stop. Don't freeze up anymore. I'm trying to go fast. We only have 3 minutes left. No! Don't you dare freaking freeze up on me! Dang it, it froze. I had to redo that crap. I didn't do much, luckily. Did it seriously freeze up? I clicked on something outside. That's what's happening. I'm clicking on something outside. Okay. This is if Mario started. Notice, I don't know if you're on there yet, but one ear's bigger than the other. And you're gonna have to save that idea for the next video because we only have 1 minute and 30 seconds. No, 1 minute and 20 seconds. So, Ender, what's your reaction to the final thing? Ender, hurry up. Okay, so what do you have to say about it? Quote, it's the best thing he's ever seen. I love it. It should be in the museum for $200. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let go of this left click and then I'm gonna hold it again. To where, cause like it like kind of warps again. Oh wait, click. What do you think about this one? Ender, quick, Ender, what do you think about this one? It's also amazing, and I hope it goes in the museum for 2 minutes. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. He's here, O'Brien. Okay, that's all the time we have for this video. We're barely stretching it at 15 minutes. And bye-bye, and subscribe to EnderPlayZ, and subscribe to me because you know you wanna.